मुंबई स्थित किताबखाना में हेल्दी लिविंग और माइंडफुल थिंकिंग का एक नया रूप दिखाई दिया जब लेखिका डॉक्टर वैजयंती पंडित की बुक एवरीडे योगा को लॉन्च किया गया। डॉक्टर वैजयंती पंडित महाराष्ट्र स्थित फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री की डायरेक्टर हैं। इस बुक द्वारा उन्होंने योगा प्रैक्टिशनर्स के लिए एक सिंपल और इजी मॉड्यूल तैयार किया है जो डेली एक्सरसाइज के लिए काफी लाभदायक साबित हो सकता है।
I was following this practice for the last 10 years and we were doing it very consistently and there were so many gains in that. In fact, the 10 years back I was into a complete depression and this Guruji of mine, drew me out of it unknowingly. We just did it every day. He said, there is no time limit. You have to just do it and do it with devotion and you will come out of it. Whatever happened in terms of the diseases or stress, every day I would see that there is a new change. Every day so I said, why don't I recommend this to other people? So when I would tell people would say that would I reduce weight? Would I do? So there is no correlation like that, or you can't do business with yoga. You have to be completely devoted and it's a way of life. When I am working, I find that the youngsters there is a lot of absentee youngsters. They have a lot of unhealthy habits. They eat a lot of unhealthy food and because of that they don't come to office on time, they have no discipline, and that's why I thought if these youngsters could do it, then they could perform much better at work. If housewives could do it, they perform much better in the home and everywhere else. So I said, this is something like a magic, why don't I share it with the people?
बुक को लॉन्च किया श्री निरंजन हीरा नंदानी ने।
I think it's a very, very interesting event because it gives us an idea about holistic health and how yoga performs a large part of the basic elements of creating holistic health for the individual. Brings about calmness, brings about the right attitude to life, and also ultimately teaches us how we can step by step take forward into how yoga should be performed.
इस अवसर पर दीना मेहता, मिक्की मेहता, माधुरी रुइया, अश्लेषा गोवारिकर और रक्षा वधिया जैसी कई जानी मानी हस्तियां मौजूद थीं। फंक्शन का समापन पैनल डिस्कशन के साथ हुआ जिसमें योगा फॉर कॉर्पोरेट वेलनेस एंड हायर प्रोडक्टिविटी नामक विषय पर विचार व्यक्त किए गए।
When people ask me how many times a week you do yoga, I said if food is important for you every day, so is exercise important for you every day. So what is every time? How many times a week you do yoga? So I do yoga almost every day.
The kind of holistic and wholesome returns that I get from yoga, I do not get from any other person. The difference between yogi and human being, yogi is a better human being in a way that he is all the time calm, quiet, peaceful and relaxed. That is all he is yogi.
Today's panel discussion was on corporate yoga and higher productivity and achieving higher productivity. So I'm sure when the managers take when they are stress-free, the decisions that they take will be much better and in a much better state of mind. So India has a huge future for everyone, and when I say corporate wellness, I mean the wellness of the executives as well as the balance sheets. So I'm linking it to the corporate world because you have to do it here and now, not when you retire, not when you grow old, not when you cannot walk. Okay, so yoga is a way of life, follow it, and happy yogic journey to all.